I guess it's officially summer. Saturday night at the Central Social District in historic downtown Van Alstyne, it was Faux. Hundreds of people crowded into the park and even sang along. There were sponsor booths, food trucks, Airview AC was there with free ice cream, of course, but mostly it was all about the music.
I try to tell y'all, I did that, I know. Every time I try to sit down and talk with her, it always ended up in the fun. I try to breathe with her right up to the time that she got on the Greyhound bus.
And once the sun went down, the band really started to cook. The dancing waters of the splash pad sure looked purty at night. Faux even came back for a couple of encore songs before we were all done. It was a blast. I can't wait for our next Sounds of Summer concert, which is July 5th with William Clark Green. We'll see you there. Reporting for the city of Van Alstyne, I'm Mike Shaw.
Get your phone lights up tonight. We're going to go side to side like this. Come on, get your hands up.